the defending world champion.
All right, Benny and Mel, this one's for you. We're gonna get in her, take a good look at the cab. Be some real, I'll pan back as far as I can, but she's gonna look close.
How the auger works, we'll get up there. Yeah.
Make them shovel coal.
No, it's
Well, I gotta join them.
What about, it's underneath the seat of the over there? Is that seat lift up? Fireman's seat?
It does, hey.
And guess what?
I'm putting my stuff in here.
And we can put all the junk in there too.
Actually, I put it in a box behind.
Oh, that's even better.
Yeah.
I like that. Just be careful where you touch and what you brush up against, because the grease does not come off.
That's what the engineer would see. Imagine that'd be a warm ride.
Yeah. What does this thing pop at?
Hmm?
What's the safety valve pop at?
I don't know.
Take a picture out there.
I'm the expert on this end.
I'm
Great.
doing good.
And you got your cyclists, different, knobs that will control to see if you're gonna suffer from extreme boiler failure or explode. You got two of them, I think. This is also a water cyclist.
Say hi to YouTube. And your, and your channel name.
Oh, Rascona Rail Fanning. R-A-S-C-O-N-A Rail Fanning.
There you go.
2 N's, so yeah.
There you go. There's the auger. Feed the coal right into the firebox.
Randy from
Yeah, I can't get that away.
Well, we're waiting for these guys to clear.
They're in the tenders. Yeah, they're in the. We don't have it in steam, so. Yeah. This locomotive. Oh yeah, here's your bell. So technically the bell would be on, and you want to go forward, pull the whistle twice. You know. Cool, huh? This locomotive is equipped with a Canadian National 5 chime, which sounds great. Edit one in, will you, please? Yeah, all these different.
I got footage of this operating from the last Rail Fest operated in, so
yeah,
it's quite a sight to see.
It's interesting because a lot of people come in and they're like, when's 3254 going to run again? It's not. The frame is bent and cracked badly, and the tender leaks, the feed water heater leaks, the sheet metal is actually rusted, and it's like falling apart. We'll try to repair that.
2317 will be done before this.
That's different than. Do you guys mind? Anyway. This is different than a Johnson lever because it builds up pressure in the reverser, and it, you got this.
Yeah, we didn't see it on the schedule. It seems like you still have it.
Yeah, it's actually on the schedule for 3 o'clock. I'm definitely starting